Okay, I think we made enough adjustments. Took some out in there. We took some out down in here. So I think we're going to be okay with the mouse. So what we want to do, before we hook it up, we want to put our hooks in here so we can test our spring and our string. So we'll put one back here. This is going to be for our string. If you enjoy my videos or find them helpful, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. Now we'll attach our spring. And this is just temporary because we have to do sealing and everything else, so we won't be leaving it all connected. We got to seal it, paint it. So this is just our testing area. Make sure everything's going to work all right, because you got to make sure this mouth works properly, because you don't want to have to tear it apart after you get it all put together and find out you did something wrong. I think it might be okay. Might have to adjust it some more. This is a long step, is getting this part done. This is probably the most important part of your putting your figure together, is getting this mouth correct. You don't want it catching on the sides. You want to make sure you got enough play in it. Okay. Okay, I'm happy with that. That's probably pretty good play in it. So the next thing we'll do is we'll take our 1/2-inch dowel here, and we're going to check our tension on our string to make sure it's not too tight. Put that in there. What's it catching on? Okay. I gotta sand it on the side a little bit more, but then I think we're gonna be okay. And we'll put some glue on our stick in here to keep it from turning on us, because that causes a problem too. So we'll work on that, then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.